Hello guys, this is Shahrukh Khan and in today's class we will learn that how to use artboards inside Adobe XD and the interface of Adobe XD. Okay, so before jumping into Adobe XD interface, please I request you to go to the channel and just subscribe it for more interesting videos. So right now when I click on Adobe XD, so here I can see the home page right now. Okay, so in the home page we can see multiple devices with different artboards. Like here we can see it is for a mobile and tablet. You can see that, right? And here is the website, and here is Instagram stories and social media post, etc. And this is for the customized size, like we can give it width and height, customize width and height. So here in the home page, we can see that we have some recent projects as well. We can open it directly by clicking it here. And here I have my cloud documents, and from here you can open your files from your computer as well. Either it is XD or Sketch or PSD or AI. So right now we are not going to there. So when I click on any kind of device, like here I can select iPhone 12 Pro Max. So when I click on that, I will see the artboard that I have selected here inside the design panel, just like this one. And on the left menu, we can see the tools, the basic tools that we will be using uh, in our design. And on the right side, we can see the property panel for the selected object inside the design panel. And from here, this is the main menu. Select file, and inside file we have different kind of basic things, like we can create a new file, we can open an existing file from the cloud, we can open a file from your computer as well, we can open some recent projects and all that. So these are just some basic tools. Here what we mean for is these are the shape tools, this is the selection tool, here is the line tool, I can draw line as well, I can use a pen tool as well, like this one. I can make anything with this. And here is the text tool, I can, if I want to write something, so I can just write it here. And here is the artboard. When I click on artboard, and the shortcut key for artboard is just pressing A from your keyboard, and you will have it on the right side of your Adobe XD interface. So these are for these all screens dimensions are for mobile devices, and these are for the tablet, and these are for the websites, and these are for the social media posts like Facebook cover, Facebook post, Instagram stories, and all that. And here we can see they already are giving the artboard sizes for watch as well. So let's not jump into the advanced level, just delete it, and I will show you some artboards with different sizes that we will be using in our projects. So first of all, if I want to save my project, I will double click on here, and I will just rename it to class 2, that is related to artboards. Okay, and I will save it, and it will be saved in my clouds. So here I have select the mobile device, and now I will select an artboard for an iPad for tablet. So when I just click on iPad, it it is up here. We can see it here, right, in the design panel. And if I want to select a new artboard for my website, so I can just select on web 1920, 1366, and 1280. So let's just choose the latest one, that is 1920. And for the Instagram post or any kind of social media post, if I want to click on artboard, I will just see it on the right side here. When I scroll down, I can let me just select the YouTube video post. Okay, this is a YouTube video thumbnail post. And for the last one, that is for watch, when I click on watch, we will see it on here. So these are the multiple artboards. We can also see it screens. Like this is a screen for mobile device, this is a screen for iPad device, and this artboard is for a website, and this is for the social media post or YouTube thumbnail, and this is for watch dimension. Okay, so we can design inside these artboards. So in today class, we have learned that how we can create an artboard inside Adobe XD, and in the future class we will learn that how we can design inside this, using these tools, using these basic tools, how we can design mobile app or website or watch smartwatch design as well. Okay, so for getting notification from the channel and for the latest videos, you must should be able to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon as well. So I would be very thankful to you. Have a good day and bye.